1, 2, 3, 5 here. Today, we are back playing Minecraft. I mean Animal Jam, sorry. And my sister just made a new account and pranked me, Miss Italy. But we are going to be doing a collab. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below firebomb or my signature black spike. And you could also go look at her channel, like her channel, and subscribe to hers as well, and show us some support. So, yeah, she just pranked me by making this new account. So, anyways, Italy, since that's like the 8th time you've done that to me, now let's do the collab, okay? Oh, I won't. Okay, in a future video we will. We're gonna do that in a future video. Hey, meet in my den! Italy! Meet in my den! Good! Hi, boy! I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. And, Italy! It started. I didn't restart it. Are you recording? No. Oh. Yeah. Huh. You thought I did. Today, we are doing a Animal Jam collab. And, I think I know what we're gonna do. We are going to trade each other. Trade attempt 1. Number 1. Okay. She has a tree where that's black instead of magenta, that's red. Silence! Oh no. I'm thinking simple. So look, I'm gonna show her all the lab. Please buddy me and give me rares. Because as you can see, I am in desperate need of rares. Okay, so we're gonna be doing trading attempts, okay, Italy? Okay. Let's go. Where are you going? No, I meant with each other. She was like, I said, we're gonna be doing trading attempts, and she was like, okay. She leaves. And I'm like, no, with each other. And she's like, oh, okay. Hey, you trade me first. Until a trade works out, you keep trying to trade me. Declined. Keep trying until something works out. Under trade. What are you not gonna trade that isn't it? Sorry, Wolf Chair, I've had you forever. Is that a meta? You couldn't have gift. Oh, dang it. The time right now. No, I'm talking about the wolf chair. Is that a beta? No? But it's not in stores. Add. You gotta add it. Add some more. when it loads, guys. Yeah! Alright! My turn, Jeff. I got a low-kai bracelet, guys. If you don't know what that is, it's a bracelet for a charity that you get to choose from. And mine is blue, because I did the water one. And there is one white bead. And that white bead has water from the top of Mount Everest in it. And then there's a black bead across from that. And it has mud from the Black Sea or the Dead Sea or whatever it is. The deepest point on the highest and lowest point on this planet. My turn. Oh, that's not fair! Okay. Kinda want this. Weird animal sounds. Tell me what. Yay! Oh, I know. If he accepts this, I'm going to cry. Yeah, I'm sure I want to trade it. What happened? I tried to trade you. Okay. Oh, I have to end this video in a minute, guys. So, please do like this video. Comment down below Firebomb and your username and your status if you are a non-member or a member. And subscribe if you haven't. And once you do your status and once you comment down below your status and Firebomb, you and your username, you could be able to get my signature spike. So, you could get rare. But, anyways,